nkugamba another nkugamba the recent cabinet reshuffle shows some support by the president of the mafia gang. For example, a group of individuals who confessed stealing shillings 4 billion from Izimba Dam was let scot-free while the Minister of Energy was sacked. The evidence links the minister to the mafia gang that confessed to have stolen the billion. The practice happens to schools where a girl is dismissed of pregnancy while the boy responsible for pregnancy is left to continue with his studies and possibly get another chance to impregnate more girls. Ababbi abalekamu. Kubanga bonna ebintu pusi yewandika articles zonna mawulire. Red paper
okudependinga
nabo kuba the Museveni trusted aides nga balina gwe baagala besed
bamufate ninga
kati Bukedde agudde olutalo kwekerezia. Bukedde abakatoliki tugenda kukola ekintu kino temugula Bukedde yafunye sente kuva mu Amerika mu abalokole abajooga n'abateeka wali n'akubayiga omugenzi kati alina ku mwana we mbu omukazi asabye TV etundibwe eyamba abaana ate can you sell a TV which can produce you separate it to more management tufunenga mu sente ate ugitunda otya what will you get? Yes, if you sell your car which produces milk no gitunda kakati ate omwana wo mu second semester onatunda ki? Tunda mata make sure
atudde ku ttabi
kati Bukedde akuba TV eno